Sometimes I fantasize about going back to basics with my beauty and makeup routine. The choices available to us are overwhelming. New product launches on an almost daily basis, and so sometimes I like to take a step back, simplify my routine, and reach for my classic favourite products. Today I'm going to show you a classic, simple, elegant and flawless makeup look, created with some products that I've been using for years from Esteé Lauder, including the cult classic Doublewear. If you're starting a makeup collection from scratch or looking to go back to basics, you can't go wrong with these. After cleansing and toning, I apply the Up Balm. It's anti-aging, gives my skin instant radiance and brightens the complexion too. And then the classic Esteé Lauder Doublewear. No matter how many foundations I try, I keep coming back to this one. Long-lasting and flawless, it's buildable too, so I can always get the amount of coverage I desire, whether that's a light daytime look or an airbrush finish for the evening. There are 50 shades available for Doublewear. My shade is Pure Beige, and today I'm building a medium coverage, confident that it will last all day long. It's got 24-hour wear and lasts through heat and humidity. The best part for me though, no transfer on my clothes. Very important when your wardrobe has as many whites and lights as mine. Next, I'm applying some balm. No makeup collection is complete without one, and the Pure Colour Envy Blooming Lip Balm gives a touch of colour too. I don't know about you, but my under eye area is often in need of brightening. The Doublewear Brush On Glow BB is perfect for this, brightening, concealing and highlighting the under eye area, and any other areas of the complexion in need of some luminosity. It has a hydrating formula and helps ease any signs of fatigue, as well as blemishes, fine lines and wrinkles. I gently pat it in with my fingertips to blend. Brow products are something I now can't live without, and I like this pencil with a spoolie on one end to neaten and fill in my brows. I use a brow gel to set them in place and add a touch of colour too. Up next, my favourite step, bronzer. Bronze Goddess is another classic product in my makeup collection. I squeeze my brush to create a soft contour shape before applying all over my complexion to give my face a healthy colour. I also find the shade to be perfect for a natural eyeshadow shade, so I apply a delicate wash over my eyelids for an everyday look. Blusher is something I don't use every day, but as we approach spring, I love the flush of colour it brings to my face. This rose shade is natural and flattering, and works for day and night too. Mascara is an important step. I want lots of volume but no clumps, it has to look natural. The Sumptuous Extreme Mascara lifts and curves my lashes and has a vitamin complex formula to condition my lashes too. Lip liner is probably not an essential for everyone, but it is for me. I don't leave the house without it. This mocha shade is a little deeper than my natural lip colour, and so is perfect for enhancing the shape before applying lipstick. My go-to lipstick for many months now has been the Insatiable Ivory. There's not much left of it, time for a new one. It's balmy and comfortable to wear, and the colour is so me. That's my makeup look complete. A flawless complexion thanks to Doublewear that will still look great at the very end of the day. A 10-day sample is yours when you visit your nearest Esteé Lauder counter. Try it out for yourself. I'll leave all the information about it down in the description box. By refining the products I use, my application takes no time at all. In fact, my tea is still piping hot. Darlings, I really hope you enjoyed my back to basics makeup routine. Let me know in the comments if you like the idea of stripping back your beauty collection to the classics.